Welcome to My Logo Imprinted Online. Today we're going to be talking about the Zippo Auto Safe Flashlight. Why is this more than just a flashlight? Because it also serves you well in the case of an emergency such as a flood. This flashlight includes a seat belt cutter and a car window hammer. It is water and shock resistant. It also includes 2 DD batteries and includes a 1 Zippo gift box. This item can be branded with your logo on it and great for corporate gifts as well as employee gifts. Come to mylogoimprinted.com today to learn more about this product.